In this video, we're going to learn how to multiply decimals by decimals. We start out by multiplying decimals like we would any sort of number. So we always start with the bottom number on the right, and we multiply first at the top, going 8 times 3. So that's going to be 24. We put the 4 down here. Now we don't put the 2 here, we have to carry it over to the other number on top. And then what we'll do with that is when we multiply now across, we have 8 times 5, which will be 40. We'll take that number 40, we'll put a 4 there and a 0 here. Now whatever numbers we add here at the top, we're really just going to add them. So we have 2 plus 0, which would be 2. And then we have this 4 that sits outside of those numbers. We just take that number and we drop it down. So we have 424. So now that we've taken a look at the number on the right, we're going to take a look at this number here on the left, this 2 right here. So before we start multiplying, we have to do a little trick. We put a 0 for the next number over. Once we have that, we multiply across from 2 to 3, which we know will be 6. So we'll put that number here. Now we'll go to the next number, which is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So we can put this up here. And then remember, we just add those numbers down. But you'll notice it doesn't line up right here because we have that 0. So we have to move it over one place. So we put the 0 here. And then we put that 1 right here. Once we have all of the numbers multiplied, we add everything up. We always add from right to left. So 4 plus 0 will be 4. Then 2 plus 6 will be 8. 4 plus 0 will be 4. And then we have this 1, which we'll add right here. So the trick for decimals is we add the decimal places. So we have 1 decimal, 2 decimals. So then we come over to our answer. We go 1 decimal, 2 decimal. And we put that decimal place right here. So our answer is equal to 14.84. Now moving on to this next example, we have 5.02 times 6.4, and we have it written horizontally. So when we have unequal decimal places, it won't really change our answer because we are just multiplying and figuring out the amount of decimals later. So we can put 5.02, we can put 6.4 right here. It does not need to line up. So again, doing regular multiplication, we always start on the right for the bottom number. We're going to multiply that up and across. So 4 times 2 will be 8. Then we have 4 times 0 will be 0. Then we have 4 times 5 will be 20. So we can put a 2 there and a 0 here. We add down. So we have 0 and 2. Now we add a 0 and then we multiply by the other number, which is 6. So we go across. So 2 times 6 will give us 12. We put a 2 here. Then we put a 1 right here. Now 6 times 0 is 0. Plus we have that 1 at top, so 1 plus 0 will be 1. Now we multiply 6 times 5. That is going to be 30. So we'll cross this out, put 30 on top. So we add down. Now remember, it's not going to match straight down, so we'll add 1 line over because of the 0 that we added. So we have a 0 and a 3. We add this all up. We're going to get 8, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now remember, we have 1, 2, 3 decimal places, right? 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So that means we're going to go 1, 2, 3 over. And our answer is 32.128.